Hello guys and welcome to Trade Edge. So I've been talking about harmonic patterns till now, and I have been doing trades based upon harmonic patterns mostly. So um, to give you the Nifty outlook, today is 30th of April and today was the expiry day. And from Monday onwards, there'll be a new series of Nifty which will be coming up on. And the Nifty has been falling for quite a while right now. It's started its fall from 9120 levels. Then it had a bounce back, and you could have known whether it was a bounce back or retracement by checking the Fibonacci level for that. So you see, by this point when you took the Fibonacci levels, it was unable to cross the 61.8 mark, and once it came back, the 61.8 mark was the point when you should have started shorting the Nifty. But anyways, now the point is that how far is the Nifty willing to go, how deep it's gonna fall, and what price should you enter, because I think so most of you by now must be thinking that you have made lots of losses because of this Nifty falling. So here's the cipher pattern on Nifty. You can see that I tried making the cipher pattern, and B's close, it does not cross 61.8. It is more than 38.2. The condition is satisfied. A to C is more than 113%, which is we have got 120.5%. This condition is also satisfied, and this should also be more than 138.2%. It is 144%. And X2D gives me an entry point of 78.6%, which should have given me the entry point as 81.88. So yeah guys, I am today my trade which I have taken is that I have gone long in Nifty. I have entered in Nifty. I have got 8300 call options, and my target for Nifty is from X to C. And why I've taken 8300 call options and not higher options, you might be wondering. But the reason is that see, it's like I'm expecting a bounce back in Nifty right now, because it has been quite a long fall. Also, if you check the RSI level, which shows RSI level is something which shows you about how far is the stock oversold or is it overbought. So the RFI pattern, it hold on for a second. It's RSI pattern. It is currently, I'm not able to come it up on the screen, but it is currently at 30.85, which is kind of tells the story that Nifty is oversold. My Gartley completes over here, so I've got my cipher pattern completes at 81.88. So it has given me enough amount of clues that Nifty is gonna it's gonna bounce back for some time, and my targets will be 82.97, 84.01, and 8500, 85.05. The thing is that after 85.05, I'll just watch if it's a bounce back, because it may still be a retracement and the Nifty may still fall down after showing some bounce back, and we have to check those levels by this. So see, if you take today as low, even by Fibonacci levels, you are seeing this 8413 to be as one of the bounce back levels. 8400 was also given to us by the cipher pattern, and you can see 8500 exactly, which lies at the 0.5, and in the Fibonacci patterns 0.5 is a very key ratio. So 8500 is what I am expecting, and I think so Nifty will start falling again from 8500. As in for now, I have got 8300 Nifty options. I got it for a price of 110, and let's see what's the price right now. So this is moneycontrol.com, which we are seeing right now, and yeah, here is the Nifty options, and sorry, I can't see the NSCI. Anyways, I can't see the Nifty option prices right now, but I entered at 110, and the last time I checked it already went up, and it was 120 by 10 rupees. But that 10 rupees is not something which is like now very important for me, because I'm expecting some bounce back in Nifty levels. And that's my trade strategy for 30th of April. So please keep watching Trade Edge, and if you like my trading strategy, please subscribe, hit on the subscribe button, and do follow the cipher pattern. I have talked about cipher pattern, what it is and how to trade in the cipher pattern, so you will be able to make some profits out of it, out of the harmonic pattern. This is a very strong pattern, and let's see my Nifty trade works out or not. In the coming days, I'll just update about this trade to you. And thanks a lot for watching, guys. Thank you.